ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hands-on GameMaker Studio 2. Sorry if there's a lot of background noise right now. There's a lot of people over at the house, so I do apologize. But what we're going to be doing now is handling collisions with the wall, having the ball collide with the wall, and having the ball collide with the player, and creating a cool little effect that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Let's go ahead and open up Object Player 1. Oh, actually, oh yeah, we can do this. Alright, so what we want to do is have, when our player collides with the wall, we're going to just have them stop. So this is just a basic way. We'll get into more fancy collisions later, but for now this will work. So open up Add Event. We're going to go down to Collision with Object Wall. And here, just to do something simple, we're going to go ahead and set Speed t equals 0. So now when our player hits the wall, he will lose his speed and he'll stop moving. Go ahead and close this out, and real quick we'll test this. So if we go to the wall, it stops moving, and it works. Alright. Yeah, for now this will work. We'll go more into more advanced collision detection later, but for now this is fine. Go ahead and close these out. Alright, so how about when the ball hits the wall? Go ahead and open up your object ball, because your object ball is the one that's moving. We want to set up the collision here. We're going to say Add Event, because the ball is the one that's going to be colliding with the wall, not the other way around. Go to Collision, Object Ball, and what do we want to do? We don't want to just stop the ball, we actually want to destroy it. So an easy way to do this is just typing out instance destroy. Now how do we know we're not destroying the wall instead of the ball? It's easy. We're hitting instance destroy. We're programming in the ball object, so the ball should be the one that's destroyed. Let's go ahead and test this just to make sure. Hit it. And, oh, I see what I did wrong there. Let me go ahead and change this event. We're at collision with the wall, not with the ball. And now when we test it, oh, that was funny. The ball gets destroyed instead of going through the walls like it was doing. Okay. Now, just for the sake of it, I'm going to show you how you could destroy the wall if you want. But how do we do that? How do we make it to where when the ball collides with the wall, it destroys the wall instead? Well, since our object is colliding with another object, that's how we can handle it in the code. GameMaker will say when it hits the other object, what do you want to do? So what we can do is just say with other instance destroy. Now this isn't something that we actually want to keep. This is just to kind of show you how it could work. So let's hit play. We'll go ahead and shoot. There we go. Let's kind of get these out of here. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Most people, when I teach them how to go through these, this is where they have the most fun, is just destroying everything. I can see why. I can see the appeal in it. But we're actually going to take this code out because we don't want this for this game. Alright. So now, just for a cool little effect, what we can do before we destroy the ball, we can go ahead and do effect, create, above, and you can see what this command is asking for. It's asking for a kind, an X and Y, the size, and the color. So the kind, we're going to say EF, and if you just put EF underscore, you can kind of see all the kinds of effects that we could choose from. I'm just going to go ahead and do, we can do explosion. That'll work. I'm going to set the X and Y to where the ball was, so we'll just say X, Y. For size, we're going to say 0, which just means small. That's all it is. And then for color, since our ball is blue, let's go ahead and say C underscore blue. And you can see there's a lot of different colors here too. If you just hit C underscore, there's a lot of different colors that we can go through. But we're just going to say blue. Alright. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. This is just basic for now, but I know usually having a cool effect like this gets everyone pumped, getting ready to go. But yeah, we'll go ahead and say that's good. Now, for a challenge, what I want you guys to do is get player 2 colliding with the wall, get player 2's ball colliding with the wall, destroying with an effect, and when player 1's ball hits player 2's ball, because they're red and blue, have it instead create a purple explosion. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and take care.